chopping his feet, man. He pretty mad. Yo, 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 people, it's your boy Big E with Big E the Trapping Service. Hey, right now it's currently 10:54 at night. Laying in the bed with the old lady and the youngin'. Just dropped the gate on a nice sow and a couple of pigs. About to go meet up with the landowner now and go get her out the trap. I got work in the morning, so, and I think the landowner is going on a little trip, vacay with his wife. So, yeah, about to head on out here and go get this haul real quick. We had a little rain today, so they had them pigs moving pretty early. So, yeah. So y'all enjoy the video of the drop, and you know it. Next time you see me is when we get out there to the trap. So see y'all soon. Well, y'all, and Mr. Calvin done made it out here to the trap. Oh, sorry about that. We done made it out here to the trap. We got coons and everything else out here. Hogs on one side, coons on the other. That should be good. We got this mag light too. You see him? Huh? You got it? Oh, I see him right here. You get a good shot right here. Yeah, we're looking at this coon. See him going up?
Yes.
We'll blame it on the nighttime. We may be able to. Here you go. Hold it light. Let me show you how to do one, son. Load it.
There's a lot of
Safety off.
No, it's on. Right, yeah, you can shoot right now. It's good to go.
Load it back for me. I think that coon gonna have a look at that.
Well, we know they're about right here.
We'll get him with the dog. Do that light. Well, y'all, we made it to the trap. Got an old sow and a couple pigs. See if I can get y'all some light. Must ain't too long, gave birth to them. Ain't that? Some people gonna probably be like, oh, you gonna kill the babies? Well, them babies grow up to be big babies. And they still tear up stuff. So, yeah, we gotta knock them down. So we're gonna go ahead and get these knocked down, loaded up. I got work in the morning. So, be right back with y'all. Alright guys, got them hogs loaded up. We ended up getting 2 sows and a boar. Me and Mr. Calvin here. We appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, remember, it's your boy Big E with Big Easy Trapping Service, keeping the swine in line 1 hog at a time. Come on. Hey, if y'all not, make sure you subscribe and like and hit the little bell button so you can get notified from when more videos to drop. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here because I got work in the morning. So we're about to rebait the trap and go ahead and get home. See y'all on the next one.